Top 5 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner under $200. More manufacturers now than ever that produce these appliances, driving down the average price of robotic vacuum cleaners across the board. Thanks to seemingly non-stop developments in robotic technology. Number 5 Mooka Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The robot can roll under most sofas and mattresses. Its on-board controls let you pause and start a cleaning session as well as send it to the dock. It only stands 2.9 inches tall. Within the robot's 500 ml bin. 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery. Number 4 Kios Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Place this robot can't go. It also has 2 side brushes, one brush roll and powerful suction that generates a mere 50 to 60 decibels of sound. At a height of 2.95 inches. Kios 13 Robot Vacuum. 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery. Number 3 iLife V5S Pro Robot Vacuum Mop Cleaner. Plus, the vacuum's bumper is constructed from thermoplastic polyurethane, making the bumper flexible yet resistant to abrasions. Its long-lasting lithium-ion battery. Robotic vacuum run 140 minutes. Spot and edge mode. Number 2 Dibby D960 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Uses 1.2 kilopascals of suction. As it travels around your house, the robot changes cleaning modes to suit each floor it vacuums. Produces 1.2 kilopascals of suction. Since it's only 3 inches tall. Its 350 ml bin. Number 1 iLife A4S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Brushes and a double V brush roll that reduces tangles. Thanks to the Cyclone power system, the A4S can thoroughly clean all floors from hardwood to carpet. By using the remote control, you can select one of the robot vacuum's 4 cleaning modes. It's also mega powerful. Battery lasts from 120 to 140 minutes. Covering approximately 2,100 square feet.